In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Pen tool in Figma. This essential tool is incredibly powerful for creating custom shapes, intricate illustrations, and precise vector paths, giving you unparalleled control over your designs. Mastering it will significantly enhance your Figma workflow and allow you to bring even the most complex ideas to life. We'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring you understand not just how to use it, but why it works the way it does. To begin, you'll need to activate the Pen tool within your Figma canvas. Look towards the top toolbar of your Figma interface. You'll typically find the Pen tool icon nestled among the various shape creation tools. It's often represented by an icon that resembles a classic fountain pen nib, which makes it quite distinctive. Simply click on this icon to select it. Once activated, your cursor will transform, indicating that you're now ready to start drawing and creating your custom vector paths. This simple click sets the stage for all the detailed work we're about to do, so ensure you've got it selected before moving on. With the Pen tool now active, we're ready to start forming our vector shape. For this demonstration, we'll be tracing an existing image, specifically the outline of a rabbit, to create a precise vector. The core concept here is to lay down anchor points that define the path. To create a straight line segment, you simply click once to place an anchor point, then click again at another location to draw a straight line between the 2 points. However, for curves, the process is slightly different. Click and then immediately drag your mouse. This action will extend out what are known as Bezier handles from the anchor point. These handles allow you to precisely control the curvature of the line segment that connects to your next point. Continue tracing carefully along the rabbit's outline. Place anchor points at every significant corner or change in direction. For smooth curves, remember to click and drag to manipulate those Bezier handles, adjusting them until the curve perfectly matches the reference image. Don't hesitate to zoom in on your canvas for greater precision, especially when dealing with intricate details or tight curves. The beauty of the Pen tool and vector graphics is their inherent editability. So if you don't get a curve just right on the first try, you can always go back and adjust the anchor points and their handles after the path is created. As you work your way around the entire rabbit, your goal is to create a complete, enclosed vector shape. This means you will eventually need to connect your last anchor point back to your very first one. You'll know you're about to close the path because a small circle will appear next to your cursor when you hover over the initial anchor point. Click on that first point to finalize and close your vector path. Once closed, you've successfully transformed the traced outline into a fully editable vector shape, ready for fills, strokes, and further design manipulations. Keep practicing, and you'll soon be using the Pen tool with confidence and creativity.